Hello and welcome to Universal Grip. Today we will be showing how to integrate the Vector 3D extensometer with a Shimadzu Universal Testing Machine. The first step will be to mechanically mount the Vector extensometer onto the side of the Shimadzu testing machine using the mounting arm and the included hardware. After the system is mounted, you'll want to plug in the data link into the extensometer strain gauge input channel. Once everything's connected, we'll want to double-click on the Vector extensometer software and open up the program. The program will load, and we'll want to include the minimum and maximum strain values that we will be measuring for the particular sample. Once everything's input, you can go ahead and press OK, and then we'll want to double-click and initiate the Shimadzu Trapezium software. Once the Shimadzu software is open, we'll want to navigate to Create New Method. The auxiliary channel, and we'll want to select Other. We'll also want to name this channel, and in this case, we will name it Vector. We want to select Full Scale, and then we go down and define the units. And this will be defined under the Vector profile. Now we'll want to double check and make sure that Vector is now listed under a sensor type. Once we see that, we can go ahead and save the method under a different file name. Now select Test to this method on the left-hand side, and it will open up the test execution procedure area. We want to make sure that both dialog boxes are open, both for Vector and the Shimadzu software. We'll need this for the calibration. We'll then select Hardware and Hardware Settings from the taskbar. Select Hardware tab and select the right test frame, and then Calibration in the drop-down box. Select Auxiliary 1, and then select Trapezium and zero out both Trapezium and the Vector interface. We'll then declare the full scale value and the calibration value in both the Trapezium and the Vector interface. These should be the same as previously entered. Once that's done, we can test the system by sending a full value signal and also a zero signal. Make sure that it's updating correctly in the Shimadzu software. Once that looks good, everything should be set up and ready to go. If you have any questions about the Vector extensometer or any of our products, you can visit universalgripco.com. We also have a fully detailed walkthrough instruction guide on how to set up the Shimadzu with the Vector. Have a great day and thanks for watching.